If you don't like slow growth but still love creating content, then this video is for you. First up, let's decode the YouTube algorithm. YouTube loves engagement. Get your viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. This tells YouTube your content is worth promoting. Next, let's talk SEO. Optimize your titles with catchy keywords, use clear descriptive tags and write detailed descriptions. This helps YouTube understand your content and show it to the right people. Now, on to content tactics. Make eye-catching thumbnails and hook viewers in the first 10 seconds. Consistency is key. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Promotion's a biggie too. Share your videos on all your social media platforms. Collaborate with other YouTubers. And don't shy away from paid ads. They can boost visibility fast. Ready to grow your channel? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more tips. Let's make your YouTube dreams a reality.